Hello everyone, Landon's here. Today we're making an easy, low-calorie, healthy Vietnamese dinner. 8-drop tomato soup with seasoned lime shrimp, served with white rice. Let's do it! First thing first, we cook 2.5 cups of long grain rice with 3 cups of water. There's a how to cook perfect rice video that shows cooking rice on stove top and with the rice cooker. I put the link in the description and also on screen at the end of this video, so be sure to check it out if you like. Now place a medium saucepan on the stove with a medium-high heat on. Add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Mince 2 to 3 cloves of garlic. Chop 1 pound of tomatoes. Hi Sunny! We need 1 cup of chicken broth and 3 cups of water. Alright, a couple stalks of green onion. I'm gonna thinly chop some and save them for the shrimps. Now the rest of them are for the soup. Seasoning: 1 teaspoon of dried dill weed, half teaspoon of sugar, some red pepper flakes for a kick, this is optional, and finally 2 teaspoons of fish sauce. Bring it back to a boil, then soft boil for 5 minutes. Reduce heat if necessary. 2 lausses in the bowl. Give some beating and set it here for now. Now I'm moving on to do our shrimps. First off, we need a medium frying pan, 2 cloves of garlic and a lime. Heat to medium-high, add about 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Once garlic is slightly brown, add half tablespoon of flour. Quick stir, we then add 1/4 cup of water. Beautiful. Some red pepper flakes if you like it hot. You know I do. 1 tablespoon of fish sauce and half teaspoon of sugar. Finally, 1/4 teaspoon of black ground pepper. Now 12 ounces of medium shrimps. Identically, we do not peel the shells off. Many people like the flavor, texture, and the calcium content of them. Time to finish up our soup. Make sure the soup is boiling. Beat up the eggs 1 last time, slowly pouring in a circular motion to cover the entire surface of the soup. Bring the soup back to a boil. In the meantime, stir our shrimps. They are done when all turn pink and curdle up. Beautiful. Let's finish up the shrimps also. Squeeze in about half of a lime. Look at that, yummy! And that is it, an authentic Vietnamese dinner. It may not be for everybody, but give it a try and I hope you like it. Alright, before you go, please like and subscribe. Have a wonderful day and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.